Next question. In the books of Mr. Ravi, pass opening entry in journal proper with the help of the following information. Opening entry means in opening entry what do? We debit all the assets, credit all the liabilities, and generally the balancing figure is your capital. So let's start. Cash in hand 20,000. So cash my asset, cash account debit 20,000. Plant and machinery account 60,000. Again my asset, so debited. Plant and machinery account debit 60,000. Stock, again my asset, so stock account debit 10,000. Debtors 10,000, so debtors account debit. Creditors has a credit balance, so 2 creditors 40,000. Now see, 60,000, 20,000, 10 and 10. So this total comes up to 1 lakh. 1 lakh minus 40,000. So the credit side is less by 60,000. So what is this 60,000? This 60,000 is nothing but your capital. So 2 capital. Now that is your balancing figure. Okay, this is all for the opening entry. Next question.